Hi. Hi.
Hi.
What you doing?
I'm listening to Swiddly Coopers.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's washing dishes for me. Because he loves me. He is wonderful. He loves me. And I have been trying to install new editing software on my laptop because I wanted to change to uploading weekly, editing and uploading weekly, and I had it almost done, and then it crashed on me, and I lost everything. I was literally less than a minute left of the last clip editing, and it crashed on me. I was so mad. I was on the phone with my mom, and she called me right when I was almost done editing, and it crashed on me, and I started cussing at my computer, and I was crying, and I was so mad. So I'm updating the program, and hopefully a newer version I won't have the same problem that I've been having with this one. And I've also been having a problem saving the project as I go. It won't let me do that. Let's wait until I'm done editing to save. So I lost everything. Anyway, I finished Amy and Roger's Epic Detour, and I started my beautiful 1943 edition of Wuthering Heights. All I've read so far is the preface thing by her sister, but I'm gonna start the actual story soon. And I bought a new knitting pattern that is going to be a long-term project for me. You have to make little hexagon shapes, and then you assemble them together like a quilt. So it'll be really fun. Hello, Blade. Hello, Blade. Hello, Blade. Hi. He probably wants more food. You have plenty of food in your bowl. The internet cannot feed you. So, yeah. Oh, and by the way, a lot of snow outside. Like, a lot. Should I show them how much snow there is outside? If they can even see it. It's probably too dark. Might be able to see. Because it's so white out there.
Go to light, it'll make it easier to see out the window.
Ow, I just fell on my bad arm. Whoa.
Can you tell?
Yeah.
Can you tell through the camera?
Yeah, I can see it through the camera. I don't know how good it's going to be when I edit it, but...
It looks like we're at about, I'd say, 4 to 6 inches right now.
I'd say definitely 6 inches of snow there. On the railings. Look at the railings.
Yeah.
That's the easiest way to tell is the railings.
I was going to say the camper, probably.
No, because, I don't know. It's too far away to be able to tell. But you can look at the tree branches, too. There's a lot of snow on the tree branches.
You can kind of look at my car, which has been sitting still since 1.
That's crazy. Is it still coming down or does it stop?
Oh yeah, it's supposed to go until the morning. It's hard to...
It's really...
Look up at the street light over there. See it blowing through the wind? Because the wind's really going too.
No, I can't tell. I can't tell. We heard thunder.
Yeah.
You noticed it like right away. You were like, "Do you hear that?" I was like, "Yeah, it's thunder."
Don't bother looking through the camera. But you see over at the street light how you can see the snow still coming down, but it's like coming down sideways because the wind's going so fast.
Not really, it just looks foggy.
Yeah.
From this distance, to me, it just looks foggy.
There's actually a...
I have pretty good eyes in the daytime, but I can't see crap at night.
We weren't designed to see crap at night, and that's why you can't see crap at night. Governor Patrick's actually put a travel ban in effect.
Yep. Travel ban. From
4 until further notice.
4 until further notice.
Yeah.
And the only thing that are exempt are food stores and healthcare and hardware stores, I think.
Yeah, like if you're...
And medical facilities.
Medical personnel.
Personnel.
Like if you're one of those in-home caregivers, you can be on the road to get to the people you're taking care of.
Like CNAs?
Yeah. And you know, obviously like emergency personnel and snow removal.
Yeah.
Personnel.
Yeah. I saw one of my friends on there saying that she was going to pray for somebody's husband because he's driving an ambulance. Somebody around here. So that's scary. It's pretty bad out there. Like the bad storm we got last October, huh? Or the October before this past one.
Yeah. Well, sort of, but not really. I think we're going to get overall bigger volume of snow, but we're getting the light stuff, the light fluffy stuff that doesn't weigh down for inches in power lines, so a power outage would be a little more unlikely in this event.
I hope we don't lose power. We have electric stove, so we have no way to cook. All our appliances would use electricity. We'd lose internet. Everything if we lost power. Blade, what are you doing? Now he's not doing it anymore. He's trying to, like, I don't know, the groom under his chin or something, and he was licking, and he had hair, like a mouthful of hair off of his own chin, and he was like, what you doing? Looking at your magic cards?
Editing this deck a little bit.
Yeah. Is there anything else you want to talk about?
Not really.
Not really. Okay, we're gonna say good night, and we'll see you tomorrow, unless we think of something else cool to say. Bye. Hey guys, it's me. This might possibly be the biggest snowstorm we've had in like a decade. Look at that. It's ridiculous. The snow goes past my knee over by the cars. Brandon and his uncle and his cousin and I'm not sure who the other guy is and his dad are all digging the cars out together. It's ridiculous. I'm not filming them up close because I don't know if they want to be on camera, but just on our porch, this is where the snow is like the lowest because the side of the house, I guess, is there is not blowing over here as much. Look. Almost up to my knee. Up to the top of my boot. On the lowest part. It's ridiculous. I've got the key because I'm going back inside because I'm too cold. I don't have insulated like ski gloves or anything like that, and I'm freezing. Brandon, I don't think Brandon even has any gloves on. I'm gonna see if I can find him a pair for him to wear. I'm not sure if he even has any on. It's ridiculous. I came inside to get warm. And I'm gonna make him some coffee and surprise him with it. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm sitting in something and it's wet. What the heck? I think I splashed water when I was washing dishes.
Onto your chair?
Yeah. I don't know.
Change your pants before you sit on the couch then.
Oh, stop. I made dinner.
Yes.
What is that?
Baked okra and lemon pepper tofu.
It's not lemon pepper.
It's not?
No. Is poultry seasoning, sazon, and hot sauce.
So it's like a very southern inspired meal.
Yes. That's what I was going for. I could put lemon pepper on it if you want.
No, it's okay. I thought I smelled lemon pepper and that convinced me that it was going to be lemon pepper.
Mm-mm. It's good. Yummy. Did you get a spicy okra yet?
I think so.
Actually, I put some cayenne in there. Lane.
Blaze, like you turned off my movie.
Were you watching that?
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if he was. Pumpkin likes NASCAR, so you never know.
Coco likes golf.
Really?
Remember?
Oh, the game. Did she do that if they
I
watch TV too?
Oh. I just lost a game.
I just lost a game. And you all just lost the game because the only way to win the game is to not know you're playing. Should you explain the rules of the game?
Simply called the game. If you think about the game, you lose the game.
And you must announce that you lost the game.
You must announce that you lost the game upon losing the game. And upon losing the game, you can't actually lose the game for another 30 minutes.
Yes.
It's all one big, beautiful allegory for death. Because you can't escape it.
Mitty! Mittens. Brandon's mad at me a little bit. Gonna tell him why you're mad at me a little bit.
I asked her to be my Valentine. She's like, I have to think about it.
I was kidding. And then he said Blade is his backup Valentine. I told him that was pathetic. Head rubs. That's Blade's way of giving you a fist bump.
Or a high five.
Or a high five,
Or
yeah.
a kiss.
Or a
It's pretty
kiss.
much his response to any sort of anything.
Food.
Yes, put the camera down and eat.
Yeah, I'm gonna say bye for now so I can eat. Bye.